So, hello, this is Christian. I want to introduce you our AI cookbook wannacook.ai. This is a homepage. The call to action is to enter a receipt that you would like to cook. For example, um, spaghetti bolognese, so wrong spelling, and this will give you a solution, AI driven. What you see right now here is that you are on the receipt page, and yeah, it's a misspelling, but we hope that the AI understands the, 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 the receipt, and it gives you out daily driven or daily generated images, which is a sketch. You have the option to filter or to generate a new prompt for vegan, vegetarian, low carb, or lacto-free receipt. You have the option to decrease the amount of portions you want to create. So because we are on the German page, it has the metric system. So you get the first result. So the first result is the image. The second one is the ingredients, which is this section, and the third one is the cooking menu, so how to prepare. Then you have a section where you have links to potential cooperation partners for the future. So when you click on, for example, this, that will generate a search query link to the page of Chef Koch, which is the most important receipt page in Germany, and you have a wiki, a kind of wiki. Yeah? So, and you have additionally the option to set a new query here, a new prompt here for a new receipt. So that is the major functionality. So we asked the AI for 4 results: the image, the ingredients, how to, and wiki entry. I will explain later why this might be important. And we have a static results that are sending out links to backlinks to potential cooperation partners to the search query page. So that generates a search query based on the prompt users will set. So you can see that we have also multi-language option here. Bolognese, so let's start for lentils now. Lentils. So it's the same issue. The search prompt seems not to be food related. Okay, this is another feature. So we asked, so the AI if that what we enter is cookable, so that we don't have the problem that if someone search for nails or glass or cars to cook, that the AI responds, no, this is not cookable. So when we have potatoes, so that must be cookable. Okay, it seems to be not. Then it's a problem. Potatoes. What do we have else? Peas. Okay, so not cookable. So we have a bug here. So we don't know why, but I think this is related to the language switch. There we had some problems in the past. So when you switch from German to English, that always made some issues um, with the API we have created. You also see that depending on the time we spend on generating the recipes, that the result will get better, by time. Why? That's another error. We don't know why. That needs to be detected. Um, and the thing is that from the beginning it took quite a long time until we have a receipt, for the on the front end, and that's why I decided to have a gradient. How good is the receipt? So how good is the feedback we get from the AI related on the time, and as long as it takes, we have better results. Um, so that the user sees, something happened. But now we have an issue here. Again, this is something that we occur in the past quite often, but this is the problem, or the reason why we called you. We had a developer working on this, and but he's a one-man show, and he's not very. We have problems to work with him, to reach him out and to finalize the product. So we will see what happened now. So we cook something, so now it's working, so it's something with the language switch, that doesn't work as expected. Um, so you have portions, again. Uh, but you will see if you're in English, then the currency or the metric could change, to Anglo-American weight system. Okay, so this is an all overview what the AI could do or can do or does in the moment. You see some bugs over there. We have some minor bugs that we'll report later on related to the footer links that doesn't work as expected. It's running on our server at Hetzner. It's our API that we have with OpenAI that you will find in the backend. What you need to know is that we have a special page that calls create. No, not create. We'll see. So there is a page I will provide later on where we can optimize the prompts. That means that we have an editor where we can add additional prompts, requests to the AI. Additionally to that what the user sends in the receipt line. That is a feature we have. It's blocked by a password we will provide you, and we need this as well so that we are able to modify the prompt and to test what maybe gives a better result. So the buzzword here is prompt engineering. So we need an option to optimize a prompt. So this is about the feature. The language switch should be automatically work related to your browser language. So if you have a German browser, then if you have a browser language German, then you will redirect to the DE version. If you have a non-German browser language, you will be redirected to the EN version, to the English version. That means that we automatically give the note to the AI that regardless with which language the user enters, it will respond in English. So that is quite important, for us. Why? So every time a user is creating a receipt, we are storing this result in a database. And our idea is to use this database to export these entries, receipt name, ingredients, and how to, and the wiki and the image, including meta files, to a block system, so that we are generating static receipts to have an impact or a huge amount on static pages for search engine optimization and for social sharing. So that is our idea, additional to the AI benefit. So that means that we not only want dynamic results created by the AI, but we want to store, or we are already storing this in the database, which is, I think, Maria database, DB, MariaDB. It's not MySQL. We are storing these results, and we will set up a block for receipts, and we want to import manually or automatically, however, from that database to a block, so that we don't lose the receipts that has been created by the users in the past. And so we are hoping that we could generate a huge amount of receipt that could drive traffic to the AI engine by SEO traffic. So this is the idea, and yeah, looking forward to hear your opinion and to work with you on the future development of this tool. Thank you. Bye.